In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products in Wix. If you're setting up a store or moving a catalog from somewhere else, importing with a CSV file is the quickest, most reliable way to add many products at once. We'll walk through where to click, what to expect on screen, and a few best practices so your import goes smoothly. Start on your Wix homepage. From there, head to your list of sites and open the one that contains the store you want to update. This takes you into that site's dashboard, which is the control center for everything you manage. If you run multiple sites, double check you're in the correct store before moving on, so products land in the right place. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the store area and click Catalog. This is where all of your products live, new, existing, and archived. It's also where Wix keeps the tools for bulk actions like importing. Give the page a second to load so you see the full product lists and top menu options. At the top right of the products page, open the More Actions menu. This menu groups advanced tools that aren't used every day but are essential for big updates. Choosing the right option here ensures you're modifying products in bulk rather than one by one. From that menu, click Import. You'll see an import window appear along with helpful notes about accepted file types and column names. If your CSV uses standard product fields like name, description, price, SKU, inventory, and image URLs, you're on the right track. If your catalog includes variants, such as size or color, make sure your file includes option and variant information in separate columns, following Wix's format. Next, click Upload CSV File. Select your prepared CSV from your computer. Wix will read the file and, if needed, prompt you to match your columns to Wix's fields. Column titles that already match common names are usually recognized automatically. If something doesn't line up, take a moment to map it correctly so details like price, SKU, and images go to the right place. For best results, save your file in UTF-8 encoding, avoid merged cells, keep one product per row, and ensure image links are publicly accessible. After the upload, you'll return to your catalog with the newly added products. Open a few items to spot check titles, prices, inventory status, and images. Small corrections are easiest to handle now before you start promoting or fulfilling orders. And that's it. Your products are imported and ready to manage in Wix.